Ever wondered about the prowess of the JF-17 Thunder fighter jet? Well, let's delve into its intriguing past. The JF-17 Thunder, a remarkable feat of engineering, was born out of a collaboration between China and Pakistan in the late 90s. This joint venture was born from the necessity to replace the aging fleet of previous generation fighter jets. The development process was meticulous, thorough, and aimed at creating a jet that was not just a machine, but a testament to the advancements in aviation technology. The JF-17 Thunder was designed to be more than just a replacement. It was envisioned as a machine that would redefine the standards of speed, agility, and firepower. The late 90s saw the rise of this ambitious project, a project that would push the boundaries of what was considered possible in aviation. And thus, the JF-17 Thunder's development paved the way for a new era in fighter jet technology. What makes the JF-17 Thunder so special? Well, let's dive into the technical details. At the heart of the JF-17 Thunder is a single, high-powered engine, the RD-93, a marvel of engineering that allows this fighter jet to perform multiple roles effectively. This multi-role capability is a testament to its power and flexibility. The JF-17 Thunder is not just about raw power, though. It's also about finesse. It boasts advanced avionics that offer superior situational awareness, making it a formidable competitor in the skies. The aircraft is also equipped with a diverse array of weapon systems, enabling it to engage both air and ground targets with precision. The Thunder's design is not just about combat either. It features an ergonomic cockpit with state-of-the-art control systems, providing pilots with a comfortable and efficient workspace. The JF-17 is also designed for easy maintenance, ensuring it can spend more time in the air and less on the ground. The JF-17 Thunder's extraordinary specifications and features make it a formidable force in modern warfare. How fast can the JF-17 Thunder fly? That's a question that gets every aviation enthusiast's heart racing. The answer is impressive. The JF-17 Thunder can reach a maximum speed of Mach 1.6. That's nearly 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound. But speed isn't the only thing that sets the JF-17 Thunder apart. It's also known for its remarkable operational capabilities. This versatile aircraft plays a crucial role in air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. Its design allows for superior maneuverability, giving it an edge in dogfights and precision strikes. The JF-17 Thunder isn't just a fighter, it's also a spy in the sky. It's well-suited for reconnaissance missions, capable of capturing high-resolution imagery and sending it back to base in real time. And let's not forget its ability to carry a wide variety of weapons, from air-to-air missiles to laser-guided bombs. With its high speed and diverse operational capabilities, the JF-17 Thunder is a true game-changer in the air combat field. So, what's the bottom line about the JF-17 Thunder? This remarkable fighter jet, a product of cutting-edge technology and innovation, has truly transformed the dynamics of modern warfare. Its development is a testament to human ingenuity, where intricate design meets raw power. The engine, a marvel in engineering, pushes the boundaries of speed, allowing the JF-17 to dominate the skies. Moving on to its features, the JF-17 is a blend of advanced specifications that make it a formidable opponent. From its radar systems to weapon capabilities, every aspect of this aircraft has been meticulously crafted to ensure superiority in the air. When it comes to speed, the JF-17 doesn't just set the bar, it is the bar. The jet's operational capabilities are equally impressive, providing versatility on the battlefront and reinforcing its standing as a key player in aerial combat. In conclusion, the JF-17 Thunder is more than just a fighter jet, it's a game changer. In the world of fighter jets, the JF-17 Thunder indeed makes its thunderous presence felt.